Here we go in after hours, everybody. We're trading Netflix earnings. It looks like it came down here and it hit $105 and it's all over the place. Printing that 112 up here. Hit that low at 105 and some change. And this is a knee-jerk reaction. And this is how we make money. And this is how this thing is trading. And now we're coming up to the 111.90. I'm going to look for the headline events. We just seen this huge spike down to the 105 and up to north of the 112. And we're going to find out what the conference call and what the headline release is. Stay tuned in after hours on Netflix. Mr. Gary, here we are right now. Netflix is getting creamed in the after-hour markets, and we're out here to buy that first round of Netflix at 101. And I don't have a preliminary number as of right now, and we dip below $100 right there. Here we go, everybody. We're still hitting at $100. We got a big move down, and we're out here to buy it. This right here is that 3-minute chart, and we're out to buy this at $91.25, $91.25, and we put that out there. This is live right now with the after-hours market, and everything is going wild in Netflix, and we're going to steal the bid. Oh, yes, we are. We're going to steal that bid, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. And I just want everybody to know we are masters at it. This is what I'm telling everybody right now. We have live orders out. Netflix trading at $94 per share, and this is how to sell short this market right now on Netflix in the after hours. Netflix Q3 international metrics, Q4 international guidance. We're going to talk about everything that we need to talk. Okay, here we are right now. We have bids out there, and we're still going to try to keep that bid. We're down here at $96. We're down here at 96.5, 96.6. This is where we're at on Tesla. All right, here we are right now, and we can see that Netflix is bouncing off of that bottom, that $94 mark in after hours. We're going to go ahead and try to get hit. One of the things about the content Netflix, we got the total reports out. We're taking a look at the fact that they slightly missed their estimates and whatnot. And so we're going to go over these quarterly results. And what I can say is this. Netflix now down around 11% at 98. They got disappointing earnings. Guidance, company guides below expectations. The company is going below expectations. Here we have a little bit calmer environment, and Netflix missed the earnings, and they guided down the quarter, and they're getting slammed in what? After hours. This is that 3-minute chart. This is the Netflix bid and ask, and we had told everybody that they were going to be light, and they had price increases, and there's a whole lot more of this. Here we are with Netflix. Netflix once again hit $94. It had a huge drop, and we've gone from $94 all the way back up here to $103.67. They did miss the guidance. They have guided Q4 down, and they've also increased their subscription fee. And lots of my friends and even I use it, the service that they have. But nonetheless, it is a miss, and a miss is a miss in after-hour earnings. And we can clearly see that people are scrambling to try to buy in on Netflix, and we can see that right here. It's at 102.54 by 102.56. Learn how to trade after hours and make a ton of money. Okay, we've had quite a movement and quite an exciting after hours based on after hour earnings. Netflix dropped all the way down to $94, and now Netflix is trading at 102.35. So learn how to buy that dip in the after hours and then sell it immediately. That's what we do, and we also invite you to join us in the quarterly earnings that come out every 90 days. So basically, buying that bottom when it refused to go down there, even though that you may not got hit at the 94, but you really would have got hit at the 97 where we were, and bam, it went straight up. It's come back down. There's going to be a lot of controversy over the Netflix earnings on how people are going to treat the stock. There's a lot of big investors, a lot of hedge funds are trapped in the stock, and they've been buying the stock. And when that thing dropped down to 94, everybody had to have their seatbelt on. But the moral to it all is, how do I learn how to do that trade and make a considerable amount of money in the after hour quarterly earnings announcement? And let this be a lesson for you new people. And once again, this is where the money is made.